Bird and Kip, episode 24. Ice cream. Bird and Kip look for some. Went to a bird walk. Even a bird walks, it's hard, said Bird. Let's look in a trash can. Maybe we will find cups with ice. Bird and Kip look in the pizza place. In the trash cans. They look in near the hot dog place. The pizza place. They look near the hot dogs place. But there was no ice. But Kip saw something else. Ice cream, said Kip. Never mind, Kip. The ice cream is just for people. Then, suddenly, chop, the ice cream cone is nice to them. My ice cream cone, cried the boy. I'll get you another one, said his mom. Kip stuck her face in the ice cream. Brrr, said Kip. But stuck her face in the ice cream. Bay, said Bird. The two friends laughed. Soon they are cool.